This is Leatherman's best-selling multi-tool, the Wave. And this Wave is new and improved, destined to be more sought after than ever. Wave has been redesigned with larger knives, stronger pliers, longer wire cutters, 4 easier-to-open outside tools, and secure, all-locking blades. Only Leatherman multi-tools feature diamond-coated files, great for detail work on metal or for filing hard surfaces. Try it and you'll never go back to ordinary files again. The Wave already had the strongest pliers out there. The jaws of this new Wave have been redesigned to withstand more than double the squeezing load. The scissors are strong and sharp enough to cut seat belts, leather, zip ties, and fishing line. Wave incorporates large and small bit drivers that have 2-sided bits, letting you customize your own tool. For jobs on the go, catch the Wave. It's the multi-tool of choice for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals.